Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday. Wish Wednesday, you know what that means. You have wished for songs and I will highlight them. Maybe one, maybe two, I don't know. This time only one, and this is a song from Gio Mk1. First time here on this channel, I think that is MKL. And the song called The Things I Never Mentioned. Alright, so it's you, Etienne 2200, who wished for this song. And Gio doesn't have too many viewers, like subscribers, and we don't care about that. That's how we roll here on Gore Guitar. If it's a great song, it could be your song that happens here on this channel, and this is a great song. So let's go into this. Hope you will enjoy this at the end, and you Gio fans out there. Now let's go into this one, and as you can see, no need for any capo. We have two chords that goes back and forth through entire song. We're gonna learn them first and then look into the melody. That is the basic thing that happens here in the song. But I'm also gonna give you a simple strumming pattern to follow on to begin with if you think that is too much with the melody. So anyway, enough of that chit chat. Let's go into the chords. We're gonna look into the G first, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. That's the G chord, and next final is the C. So it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so let's look into the melody for the G part first. That is how the song starts, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the third fret E string in the bass together with open D, then back to third E, then second A. And I hold these two with ring finger on third E and my mid finger on the second A. So then you're gonna continue with third E, second A, back to third E, and then comes the melody here. Third E together with open G, then third E together with fourth D. And that is the reason for having this little pinky on the side here next to the ring finger. Then comes third E together with second D, and finally third E together with open D. So slowly. Yes. You're gonna play this for 2 rounds. Then you're gonna go into the C part, and it goes like this. And that is basically the very same pattern here. So almost. You're gonna start with third fret A string. That is now the new bass note together with second D. Then back to third A, then second D, then third A, second D, third A. Okay, and then comes the melody here again in the same way as for the G pattern. So that will be third A together with open G, then third A together with fourth D, then third A together with second D, and third A together with open D. That's it for C. And you're gonna play that for 2 rounds as well. Slowly like this. And 2 rounds. So together in somewhat of a standard tempo, G2 and C2 goes like this. All right, nice. Now I promise I'm gonna give you a strumming pattern that fits for this well. So let's go into this G chord. Now, of course, you need to hold the full chord as it is. And one string round is a very common one. It goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, then down up, and then up, down, up. So together, down, down, up, down, up. In this case, you're gonna double up when it comes to the strumming patterns. You play G2 and C2 when it comes to the melody. Now you're gonna play G4 and C4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and C. 2, 3, 4, and you can mix it up. Alright guys, so there you have it, and there you, especially you Etienne 2200, had that song from Gio called The Things I Never Mentioned. And it's about time to mention Gio here on this channel. Great song coming out, maybe more in the future. Maybe it depends on you guys. If you want to listen to him, then you make a wish here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you for watching guys, hope to see you soon, at least next week, Wednesday. It's a must, so yes. Bye-bye, and play tuned.